Inclus tutorial for admin users. Learning how to use Inclus is easy. Let's get started. Inclus helps you to identify, understand, and manage risks collaboratively. Inclus allows you to create a risk management process that suits your organization. First, I'll show you how to log in. Once your email has been connected to your organization's account and added as a user, you will receive an email registration link to your inbox. Follow the link to create a password and log in. You can log in at www.inclus.com. Once you have logged in, you can view, create, and edit your organization's projects in the shared workspace. To begin, click New Project and give it a title and contact person. Select the template you would like to use. You will be redirected to the project page, where you can edit items, criteria, groups, and open questions of your ideation and assessment sessions. Try adding items to your sessions. Items are the topics that will be assessed against your chosen criteria. Items can represent risks, but also, depending on the project, various things such as objectives, capabilities, or projects. Drag and drop to change the order, and add categories to group items and visually distinguish them in the results. Upload a list of items from a spreadsheet or add them one by one. Now, try editing the assessment criteria of your assessment session. Write the question that will be used to assess the items and create your own scale or select a preset. Decide in which instances respondents have an opportunity to leave written comments and suggestions. Here you can also change text and colors that affect the way your data visualizations look. Finally, add groups to gather background information about your respondents in the sessions. This helps you to sort out their answers in the results page. You can also add open questions to your sessions. Activate your session and click the link to see your changes. You can add sessions for identification and assessment rounds and specify all the content for each individually. You can access the results page of each individual session or combine them by pressing results in the top of the page. You can collect the answers from the participants by either copying the link to email, WhatsApp, or Slack, by showing the QR in the workshop, or by sending individual answer links to the respondents from the invitation section. In the latter case, each participant will receive an individual answer link that will save their answers for later. Click Visualizations to see the results. Manage found risks with concrete actions in the Task Manager. Use it to assign mitigation measures and keep track of their completion. Setting up a risk management process with Inclus is that easy. If you need more help, you can search our knowledge base for helpful articles or send us your questions. We're happy to help you create your collaborative risk management process.